Hello student, today we are going to start your English grammar subject in standard 8. Okay, today we are learn the topic of exclamatory and optative sentence. Okay, last video we had seen in the imperative sentence. Okay, and then today exclamatory and optative sentence. Okay, so let us start. An exclamation is powerful burst of feeling. The feeling may be joy, sorrow, surprise, disgust, etc. Sentences that show a powerful burst of feelings are called exclamatory sentence. Okay. For example, alas, he is no more. तो जैसे यहाँ पर एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन जो है तो जिस सेंटेंस में एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन होगी तो उसे हम बोलेंगे एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. ओके, पर जब हम डायरेक्ट में से इनडायरेक्ट करेंगे तब हमें क्या चेंज करना है. तो अल्लाह है, अल्लाह से तो उसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे सॉरोफुली. अगर ऐसा कुछ है शैमफुल डेड तो डिस्गस्टफुली. अगर कोई शॉक या सरप्राइज़ जैसा है तो उसमें लिखेंगे सरप्राइज़. और जॉय कुछ हम जॉय करते हैं जैसे कि हम कुछ मैच हमने कुछ मैच जीत गए तो उसमें हम लिखेंगे जॉयफुली. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट ए शेमफुल डेट दैट ही शुड बिहेव लाइक दिस. व्हाट ए लवली पिक्चर. हुर्रे वी हैव वन द मैच. तो जब हुर्रे आता है तो उसमें हम लिखेंगे जॉयफुल. एंड अल्लास आता है तो उसमें लिखेंगे सॉरोफुली. ओके, सेंटेंस विच एक्सप्रेस ए विश, प्रेयर और अनफिल्ड डिजायर्ड आर कॉल्ड ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. ऑप्टेटिव, ये जो सेंटेंस हमने आगे जो देखा वो था एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. एंड ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस मीन्स विच एक्सप्रेस ए विच, प्रेयर और अनफिल्ड डिजायर आर कॉल्ड ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मे यू लिव लॉन्ग. तो ये विश की है तो एक कौन सा सेंटेंस हुआ ऑप्टेटिव. द नेक्स्ट, मे गॉड हेल्प यू. तो ये भी प्रेयर की. विश कुछ विश है या प्रेयर है तो वो सब आएंगे ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. वुड दैट शी वेयर हियर. तो ये है अनफिल्ड डिजायर्ड. द नेक्स्ट, ओ दैट आई कुड सी हिम अगेन. ये भी है अनफिल्ड desired. Okay, its rules is reporting verb said is changed to exclaimed in exclamatory sentence and wished prayer into optative sentence. exclamatory sentence है तो उसमें हम लिखेंगे exclaimed और optative sentence है तो उसमें लिखेंगे wished या prayer. Okay, then second rules is after exclaimed we use with joy, sorrow, delight, surprise, disgust, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. Okay, then next third rules is conjunction that is used to join the reporting verb with the reported speech. reported verb और reported speech कौन से कंजक्शन से हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. सो दैट. ओके, then next, the sentence is changed into an assertive sentence such a statement. जैसे कि हमने इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में स्टेटमेंट किया था वैसे एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है या फिर ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस है तो उसका भी हम स्टेटमेंट बना देंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ही सेड अल्लास आई एम अनडन. अल्लास है तो अल्लास मीन्स सॉरोफुली आएगा. So he asked with sorrow that he was undone. Okay, the next, she said what a kind man. Okay, so surprise हुआ तो she exclaimed with surprise that he was a very kind man. Okay, the next, Ravi said what a strange thing. what a strange thing तो ये भी surprise है तो Ravi exclaimed with surprise that it was a very strange thing. Okay, the next, he said oh that's nuisance. So he exclaimed with disgust that that was a nuisance. Okay, the next, Ravi said what a tragic end. So its answer is Ravi exclaimed with regret that it was a very tragic end. Okay, the next. She said, "What an idiot you are." So its answer is, she exclaimed with disgust that he was a big idiot. Okay, the next. ही सेड टू मी मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, तो इसमें विश की है, ऑब्जेक्टिव सेंटेंस है. सो ही विश्ड दैट आई माइट लिव लॉन्ग. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. शी सेड हाउ कल ऑफ हिम. सो इट्स आंसर इज, शी एक्सक्लेम्ड विद डिस्गस्ट दैट इट वॉज ए वेरी कल ऑफ हिम. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. मदर सेड टू हर सन मे यू सक्सेस, तो इसमें भी विश की है. So, mother wished that her son might success. Okay, the next. He said, "Alas, our enemies are too strong." Alas, alas में क्या आएगा? Sorrow. So, answer is, he exclaimed, sadly भी लिख सकते हो और sorrow भी लिख सकते हो, that their enemies were too strong. Okay. Okay, then I hope you are understanding this rules, and then we solve this exercise number 4. Okay, so let us start. Change the following sentence into indirect speech. Okay, so first is, the little bird said how clever I am. So its answer is, the little bird exclaimed with disgust that it was very clever. How clever I am, तो इसका क्या हो गया? It was very clever. Okay, the next. She looked at him and said, how foolish you are. So she looked at him and exclaimed disgustfully that he was very foolish. Okay, the next. What a sad day it is, remarked the old man. So its answer is, the old man exclaimed sorrowfully that it was a very sad day. Okay, the next. The old man said, oh that I could fight again. तो ओल्ड मैन ने विश की कि मैं फिर से फाइट कर सकता. सो क्या आएगा? द ओल्ड मैन विश्ड दैट आई माइट सक्सेस. ओके, या फिर आई माइट फाइट अगेन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. The boy said, how cold it is. So its answer is, the boy exclaimed that it was very cold. Okay, the next. My mother said to me, may you success. Optative sentence है. So, my mother wished that I might success. Okay, the next. The girl said, what a lovely doll. So its answer is, the girl exclaimed joyfully that it was a very lovely doll. Okay, the next. Okay, 8 number. The prisoner said, would that I were a free man. So its answer is, the prisoner wished that he had been a free man. Okay, the next. What a stupid fellow you are, said the master to the servant. Okay, so its answer is, the master exclaimed and told his servant angrily that he was a very stupid fellow. Okay, the next. The beggar said to him, may God grant you a long life. तो ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस में प्रे कर रहा है. सो द बेगर प्रेड दैट गॉड माइट ग्रांट हिम ए लॉन्ग लाइफ. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. शी सेड, व्हाट ए पिटी यू डिड नॉट कम. सो इट्स आंसर इज, शी एक्सक्लेम्ड दैट it was a great pity that had not come. Okay, the next. He said, what a opportunity I have missed. So its answer is, he exclaimed regretfully he had missed a good opportunity. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? regretfully that. Okay. The next, the mother said to her daughter, may you have a happy married life. तो wish है. So the mother said her daughter a happy married life. Okay, the next, she said to him, what a shameful deed you have done. So its answer is, she exclaimed disgustfully that he had done a very shameful deed. Okay, she exclaimed disgustfully that he had done a very shameful deed. Okay, the next, the onlooker said, what a fine house is being rained. So its answer is, the onlooker exclaimed sadly that a very fine house was a being rained. Okay. The onlooker exclaimed sadly that a very fine house was being rained. Okay, so your exercise number 4 is completed, and I hope you are understanding the exclamatory sentence and optative sentence and its exercise. Okay.